So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Friday, the 2nd of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go going forward. So previously we had prices come down towards this 13.58, from which we did find support, head up towards this 13.20.25, and what we did see was then a break of the 13.58. What we did see was momentum take us down towards this very next level, very strong level of 13.05. Has been over the past couple of months or so. And what we did do was we did hold this 13.05 as pretty much we would have expected in a way. I suppose in the last video we were saying that it was a strong level. So it did hold the support we did have from these 13.05. As we can see, we've had several tests of that level as indicated by these wicks, showing there was buy side momentum, these bullish candles as well, the last of which was a very strong bullish candle. And within two candles, we pretty much tested the another key important level of 13.20.25. We did have this retracement, this pin bar form, but we have not seen the follow through taking us down towards that 13.58 or possibly back down towards that 13.05. So we do seem poised for further upside momentum here on the XAUUSD, and we'll see our price reaction around 13.20.25, where we do see another test and we do encounter resistance again. If we do encounter resistance again and possibly a move back down towards that 13.58 and a successful break from which you look at prices head down towards that 13.05 level. If, however, we were to break to the upside above this 13.20.25, we'll be looking for prices to move back up towards this 13.28 level. In around 13.28, we do have that confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of possibly seeing sell side momentum or a retracement from that level. And if we do see a pretty deep retracement, we would expect the retracement to head down towards that 13.20, where we could potentially find support. And again, if we do break above the 13.28 of the first time of asking, we do have to be aware of the 400 period average sitting around the 13.30, but beyond which we're looking for the very next strong level that we are looking at here in the charts in around the 13.34.51. And yep, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. As well as we could have a retracement back down towards this 13.58 for a test of this level, and it would be with a move, if a move was to come off this level, we could have what might be in a way an inverted head and shoulders, which again will be a bullish price pattern. And we've got a shoulder head. If we were to hold 13.58, we would have an inverted head and shoulders, and again we'll be looking for price head up towards that somewhat conservative target of the 13.28 if we were able to successfully navigate the 13.20 level. And yeah, let's have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here. So we head over to the daily chart, and as we were saying previously, that we were in a bit of a trading range. We did trade slightly above this 13.57, but as you can see, we've stalled in around 13.57, lower end of this trading range being around where these wicks are. So we had in around that 13.10 or so, but ultimately we do have the very strong major level of 13.05, in around the 13.05, and as we can see, we've come down towards 13.05, and we do have a bit of a pin bar that was formed on yesterday's candle. Very strong buy side momentum coming into the market. As we can see, price came down, tested level, and the bullish buy side momentum brought it all the way back up. The day ended negatively, and we did test the 13.20, pulled back, did close negatively, but it was a pretty strong retracement and favorable for the favorable if you're a bull in regards to the XAUUSD. As you can see, if we do hold this level, we would be looking poised for another test of the upper end of the trading range in around that 13.57 if we do continue to hold above this 13.05 level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.